Yes. Good morning, sir. By Harris. How much? Okay.
I know by now you are wondering, where is she going to? Hey lollipops, welcome back. So today I decided to go get some pedicure done. It's been over 3 years that I had one done, and I feel my feet are so strong already. Like, I just want to pamper myself. I've been too busy to, lately to take care of myself. But then again, I chose this day to go do my pedicure.
Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai, oji the cash. Bilonia, onyeji cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai, oji the cash. Bilonia, onyeji cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai, oji the cash. Cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai, oji the cash. Bilonia, onyeji cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai, oji the cash. Bilonia, onyeji cash. Shopping and spending.
So lollipops, I'm here now at Harris. I want to do my pedicure and maybe a manicure if it's affordable to do both. So I just stopped now, and my hair is so scattered, you can see, because I fly Keke. Okay, my car is actually in the mechanic, for those of you that will ask. Hello, good morning. Yes, is Jane around? She has not resumed today. Can you please help me call her? Okay, that's her. Okay. Morning. Good morning. Yes. Please, can you help me call Jane? I want to do pedicure. Do you guys do?
I can do it.
I think I can do it very well.
She's not around now. She's not coming now.
Alright, let me check somewhere else. Then. Thank you. I need someone that will do it very, very well. It's been a long time I did it for. Are you sure you can do it very well? You know, it's been over 2 years I did my pedicure. So.
We'll try somewhere else.
But you can convince me that you can.
Yeah. Even if I call her now, she will still say I should wait for you. She will have to know.
Alright, let me just check somewhere else. Thank you. Okay, you guys, I'm going somewhere else. Okay, the girl that used to do my nails, she's actually the person doing the pedicure, but she has a new girl, and as of the last time I came here, the new girl is not here. So I doubt if she would be able to do the pedicure very well for me. I need someone that can do it very well so that it will make sense, right? If I've done this pedicure in the last 6 months, I would have allowed her to do it, but it's been 2 years plus now, like since I actually got pregnant for my last baby, which she's actually 2 years old already. I've not done pedicure, so it's over 2 years. So I need someone to do a very clean job for me. All right, so you guys, I'm going to have to the camera is too close to me. I'm going to have to check somewhere else, and the place I'm going to check now, I also still pray that they can do it very well for me, because I need someone that will do a very good job for me without. I have one very good girl that does it, but her shop, I can't go to her shop. I can't go to her shop now. Or should I even go there? Should I go there? Oh boy, I don't know if I should go there. But you guys, anywhere I'm going, let me just take my time to think about it. Anywhere I'm going, I shall carry you guys along, okay? Okay. Alright. Let me give you a try. So I'm sitting here, right?
Yeah.
I just thought about it like, let me just do it. Okay, guys, I'm here now. So you guys, I know by now you already know the situation of things, and I actually came back because I felt in my mind that okay, these people that are learning, how do they know that they are getting better with their skills if we don't allow them once in a while to do these things themselves? Okay, so I actually came back, but at the end of the day I felt that that wasn't actually the best choice for me, because like I said before, it's been a long time I did this thing, so I actually needed a professional to do this thing for me. I think she tried, but I'll give her 4/10. But you guys just watch this video and tell me what you think about her performance, if she did great. Okay, so but I don't feel she did awesomely great. Okay, that 4/10 itself was actually because I know she's trying, and that's
Is the water for you?
no. She's doing it very well for me. Oh, over 2 years now I've not done it. Okay.
Sexy ladies, come back. Not the love way I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Feel nobody only Jehovah. I dey thank God I dey go far. No same but muda labor. Shout me in the corridor. Bandana loli biti tupa. Midnight walkers karashika. Them never see me coming. Coming. Where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. Where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Sexy ladies, come back. Not the love way I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Feel nobody only Jehovah. I dey thank God I dey go far. No sin.
But we are not done entirely though, so we're moving to the next stage. At this point, if you have done pedicure as a lady, you will know that so far so good. There is nothing too much here that she did for me, okay? But like I said before, I'd give her a 4/10 because she tried, okay? For the fact that she wants to learn a skill and she wants to do something with her life meaningful, that's a great start for her, and I know that one day she'll become better and do it more better, okay? But for me, I won't lie, from my heart I'll say the truth, I didn't feel very fulfilled. I didn't feel like I got what I wanted, okay? I had to remind her some kind of things that she needed to do for me, okay? Since I started doing pedicure, this is actually the one that I've done that I didn't really feel satisfied at the end of it, okay? But I gave it to her, she tried, like I said before, and I believe that someday she's going to be better, okay? But before I will allow her to handle my feet again, trust me, you guys, I would go for a professional to do their job very well before I can allow her to take care of my feet again. All right, maybe like like I said before, if I've done this thing like 6 months ago, then I wouldn't be complaining, because I will know that okay, all I actually needed was a soft touch. Okay, but so if you have done pedicure, tell me, what do you think in the comment section? Did she do a great job? Do you think she's still learning like I feel? Or do you think I'm overreacting? Or do you think that, what do you think? Just leave your comments, like your thoughts in the comment section, all right? And if you watched up till this moment, this is me saying a big thank you to you. Thank you for your support always. Thank you for your love. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. I really do appreciate every one of you. Thank you for your love, and please remember to stay safe and play big always, my lollipops. Mwah. I love you. Bye bye.